Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 22nd, 2018. We had many exciting events at PBMA in the last 2 weeks. Everyone had a great time at Pajama Movie Night, and we raised close to $800 for the school. Everyone loved the yummy pizza, cotton candy, and popcorn. Thanks again to the Kiwanis Club for donating the popcorn popper. This month has been Black History Month. Here are some of the beautiful projects that our students have created. Third, fourth, and fifth grade visited Jupiter Lighthouse. Here are two of Miss Victoria's students to tell us all about it. Okay, I have two students here to tell us all about Jupiter Lighthouse. Who do I have here?
I'm Alexandra Navarro from Miss Victoria's class.
And?
My name's Andrew Anaya from Miss Victoria's 4th grade class too.
Okay, Andrew, tell us all about it.
When we were in the Jupiter Lighthouse, it had its certain colors, red and black. The bottom was red and the top was black. Those colors tell the people, all the boats that pass by, where they are, like, for example, Jupiter Inlet. The Jupiter Inlet separates into two main rivers. One goes to Lake Okeechobee, and Okeechobee means River of Turtles, and the other one goes to the Keys of Florida.
Great. Alexandra, what would you like to tell us about it?
The lighthouse has 105 steps. They used to have an old well that they broke down to build one, made one out of rocks. They also
Did they rebuild it?
yeah, they rebuilt it, like made it with rocks and that kind of stuff. The light goes out to sea and 25 miles away from sea.
They can see the light from 25 miles away?
They also put that light the lighthouse can say you're getting too near, go back, because back then they used to crash, and when they saw the lighthouse keep on moving, they went down to come and help them. Some survived, some didn't.
So what did they crash into?
Sometimes they crash into like rocks. Sometimes they crash because of the waves. They're too strong.
That's great. That's so interesting. Thank you, guys. I have never been to Jupiter Lighthouse, and now I've learned so much about it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Andrew Pont is from New Orleans, and he shared the Mardi Gras celebration with our students and staff. All students received beads, and they learned about Mardi Gras traditions. A great time was had by all. Thursday night was FSA testing night. Parents of students in grades 3 to 5 came to school to learn about some great ways to improve students' scores on the FSA. Parents learned strategies from our reading and math coaches, and they were able to ask questions of the teachers. Kindergarten and first grade went to Kravis Center to see the play, Shh, I Have a Plan. The kids loved the experience, and they even got to take pictures with the actors after the show. We had a dental presentation from Dr. Bender's office. Students learned about proper brushing techniques and the foods to eat to keep teeth healthy. This weekend is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Students from our middle and high school, along with teachers, will create beautiful works of maritime art on the streets of Lake Worth. Please come down on Saturday or Sunday to cheer our artists on. We will have pictures in our next video. We are selling copies of our 2017-2018 yearbooks. They are $27 for pre-sale and $32 after they come in. If you would like to buy an ad for your student or even for your business, please contact me for an application. Ms. Potts' 5th graders are learning about the water cycle. Students created beautiful posters. Here is one of the presentations.
I'm going to tell you about my project, and my name is Isaac, and I'm going to tell you about my project on the water cycle. First, accumulation is a process in which the water cycle accumulates in large bodies. Then it goes up to evaporation. Evaporation, the process in which water turns into a liquid, gas, or vapor. Then it goes up to condensation. Condensation is water vapor in the air that turns into a liquid to form a cloud. Then it's precipitation. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Then it's runoff. Runoff is precipitation that did not get absorbed into the soil. Then we go down to groundwater. Groundwater, the part that continues downward through the soil until it reaches rock. Transpiration. Transpiration is essentially evaporation of water from plant leaves. That's my water cycle project.
On February 28th, the 5th graders will get to visit our middle school. Students will spend time participating in a science lab, playing games with the PE coaches, seeing a Sea Cadet presentation, and having pizza lunch and ice cream. On Saturday, March 3rd, there will be an open house at the middle school for 5th grade parents to come and see all the experiences that our middle school offers. The open house is also for new students interested in enrolling in our school for next year at both campuses. Please make sure you send back the re-enrollment for next year. Charter school students are required to re-enroll every year. Re-enrollment forms are due March 2nd. Applications received after Monday, March 5th will be placed into the enrollment lottery. If you did not receive one, please email me at scooper@pbmalantana.org. Pink Shirt Day will be this Wednesday, February 28th at both campuses. Please wear any appropriate pink shirt to support the annual celebration of year-round social-emotional learning to teach youth to stand up to students who are being targeted by physical, verbal, or social bullying. Let's turn our school into a sea of pink as we stand up for others.
Hello, my name is Daniel Barone. I'm the transportation manager here at Palm Beach Maritime Academy. I wanted to introduce myself and let you all know we are doing our very best to keep the buses on time. In the last few weeks, I have made several route adjustments to accommodate better timing and have gotten one of our buses back from the repair shop that it was at for over 2 months. I have recently hired on a new mechanic to continue to work on our fleet, and we have been making great progress. I know it has been a rough year for you all with the buses, and I am doing everything in my power to make it better. Please bear with me while we continue to make improvements. If you have any bus-related issues, concerns, or questions, please feel free to email me at dbarone@pbmalantana.org. That's D, B as in boy, ARONE @pbmalantana.org. Take care.
Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.